What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to be replacing the battery in this Lincoln MKT Smart Key remote fob. This Lincoln MKT key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we're going to do in order to change the key fob battery is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this release on the back that my thumb's on, and then the emergency key will come out like that. Now if we hold our key fob with the buttons facing down, and we take a look at this space right here, you can see there's this little kind of tab right here that the end of the key's on. What I'm going to do is put my key under that tab, and then just pry up, like that. Then go ahead and pull the back off, and we can see our battery right here. And I'm going to grab a small flathead screwdriver. You may be able to get this out with your hand, but it works nice to grab a small flathead screwdriver and just get under the edge of the battery. Pop that out of there, and then we'll grab our replacement battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing the new battery with the plus side down on the case like that. Snap it into the holder, and then we can snap the two halves back together. Slide the emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.